don't comment, but I love you guys. So I need to get to part 2. Part 2 of Trading Hub. Guys, should we wake up? Should we wake up Keychain? Yeah. Everyone, 3, 2, 1, go. You wake up me. You're so annoying. You're not my friends anymore. Everyone, we never talk about friends with you because you're dumb, Keychain. Bro, I hate this game. Boss is here, blah blah blah. I wish some of you will gonna try. Me, close eyes. The boss is here, close eyes. Ano kaya titrade ko dyan? Ito si notebook. Maganda ba to? Maganda to eh. Ito. Maganda to eh. Ito. Mas squishy to eh. Ito lang yung squishy ko eh. Ito. Ito maganda to. Favorite ko to. Ito si Nido. Favorite ko din to. Ito si Keychain. Mapangit to. Trade ko nga to. Ilang kaawa pala lilisin ko muna to. Kapsibiliness. Ganda naman ito. Pero pangit. Kasi I think maan to eh. Picnic. Kasi ano siya eh. Mukhang picnic. So I think makakagrade ako ng base. Kung magsabi kung wants to trade. Trade ako. Sige. Baba tayo. Accept. Bye-bye. I leave. Wala na siya. Let's go it. Sobrang ganda ng fidgets ko. Hindi po na kaya ako. Okay, I leave. Boss live again. Hello guys. Pangalan ko pala si Bracelet. Baka magalit kayo sa akin Hindi sakto, hindi picnic. Pangalan ko nga si Clicky. Pangalan ko nga si Notebook. Pangalan ko nga si Banana Squish. Pangalan ko nga si Jumper. Pangalan ko pala si Clay. Guys, na yung pangalan ng boss. Everyone, Shane. Pangalan ni Shane. Close eyes. Guys, who want part 3? Bye-bye.